here we are today. As you can see, all of my twist and twists are out, and I am going to be refreshing, reviving my hair. We're going to do a wash and go. So now I'm going to take you all along this process of what it looks like to revive your hair after protective styling. So we're going to start off with detangling with some conditioner, and then we'll get right into my DIY Rhassoul Clay mask treatment for today. And we're going to just see how these curls just come right on back. I'll be back. All right, we're gonna get started. Part section of my hair. I have not detangled my hair at all. So this is one of the most important parts of protective styling. Not doing the takedown properly will undo any hard work you put into the protection in the protective style. So here I am, finger detangling my hair, removing all of the shed hair that has been in my strands, and I'm using conditioner and water to help make this process easier. My hair is just damp though, it's not soaking wet. As you work your way from the ends to the roots, you want to make sure that you're separating out your hair with your fingers. And you see I'm just pulling all of that shed hair off. You want to use your fingers first before you're using a comb or a detangling brush. Y'all know when you have that product buildup at your root and you think all you have to do is just comb it out right along with your hair? No, that's not what you have to do. If you just moisten it like I did and you start to separate the clunks, right? You start to separate the clunk of the product buildup, and that way you're able to keep your hair intact. So because I finger detangle first and remove the shed hairs, I'm able to go in with that detangling brush, and that makes that process a lot easier without snagging a ton of my hair. And I've noticed significantly less damage with that brush. So you also want to make sure that you are being patient with yourself. You do not want to take down and detangle your hair in a rush. This will also reduce breakage. So another reason I like to use conditioner to help with this process is because it helps provide a bit of moisture before going in with a clarifying shampoo. This is like a pre-poo. So the clarifying shampoo is super important though when you are coming from a protective style, because you want to remove all of the product buildup. Granted, I only left this in for a month, so I didn't have a ton of buildup, but it's still equally important to use a clarifying shampoo. A clean and healthy scalp will equal healthy hair that grows. Now to start the cleaning process, I'll be shampooing with Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength Shampoo. Then I'll follow up with a DIY Rhassoul Clay mask. This treatment is both detoxing and moisturizing. So here I am, my hair is freshly washed and I'm applying the clay using this applicator bottle because it can be very messy. And I also had to change sceneries because, yeah, the bathroom is an easier cleanup than my room. So make sure that you do this somewhere you don't mind making a little bit of a mess. So anyway, I'm just applying this clay to my hair. As you can see, I watered it down. I do like mine a little bit more liquidy. Because it's still very potent. So as you can see, I'm just working that in my hair, and you can see already that it is elongating my curls and clumping them together, y'all. Look, I love this mask. It is a one-stop shop. So the oils we added into this helps to bring a lasting moisture, and it just makes for a really quick wash day. Honestly, after taking down your hair, you don't want to do too much. So this is my deep conditioning treatment and my cleanser, and that's why I shampooed first, just to make sure I got some of that product built up out. But you all, look at how much definition I have. I absolutely love it. My wash and go was popping after this, and the mixture doesn't have to be super thick in order for it to work. So once I finish with this application process, I'll sit with my cap on and rinse my hair out, and then just go ahead with my styling process. So I'll let you all finish watching this part. If you want to see, let me know if you are going to try out this DIY clay mask. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if some of these things that you already do, if you're going to incorporate something into your wash day routine when you're taking down your protective style.